me.
Yeah.
What I said is I live in Lost Creek Valley, which is an O&C sandwich, and we're sandwiched between private industrial and public industrial logging markets. So the aerial application that's going on is occurring with private industrial timber.
All right.
I was very clear with my language.
Okay. Now, I got a question regarding the migrants. Now, when you're migrants, were you looking at the idea that were you taking in the high-tech industry as well, or were you just viewing it from the recreational, people moving into the Oregon from the recreational perspective?
The numbers were migrants, head counts.
Body counts.
Yeah.
So you're not really, so you can't distinguish between whether or not individuals immigrating here were for high-tech or applying for or reporting for high-tech jobs?
That's a good point. The research that's been done on this, and you can imagine it's very difficult research to do, looks at how do you explain interstate differences in job growth. Right? So that's the issue. How do you explain that some states grow faster than other states? And that research indicates that those two processes, jobs first, people follow, and people first, jobs follow, are just about the same across all of the 50 states, 48 states. Now, in part because of the trends that you say there, you would expect that the people first, jobs follow probably is higher in the areas that are experiencing those that type of in-migration. So yeah, both of those processes are underway, and I think I said that. And they're roughly equal.
Okay, and then also on the carbon issue, was the carbon analysis done on old growth stands, or were they based on young, immature, and developing stands?
The numbers that I have there are for what's called the matrix lands under the Northwest Forest Plan.
Okay, and explain to me what's in the matrix lands.
You probably know that better than I do, Chandra, but it's a mix. It's basically what happened is they took all of the 25 million acres that are within the Northwest Forest Plan, and they took out the places that were going to be protected. So they took out the national parks. They took out the places that were clearly old growth reserves. They took out places that were reserved for administrative reasons. And what's left is the matrix. So it includes lands that have been logged that have plantation forests replanted. It includes some areas that have been logged, but only part of the areas, part of the stand that's been defined geographically has been logged. It includes some young trees. It includes some old trees. It does not include the riparian zones that are part of the aquatic conservation strategy. So it's sort of the leftovers after you took out the lands that were protected specifically.
So are there